君の虜になってしまえばきっと
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fauzan.
My name is Deaninta Eka Briela Permata. We are from Group 4. Today we are going to present our ISAS named Business Process Management. So let's begin. So, what is Business Process Management? Business Process Management, as defined by Gartner, is a discipline that uses various tools and methods to design, model, execute, monitor, and optimize your business process. A business process coordinates the behavior of people, system, information, and things to produce business process in support of business strategy. Business process management focuses on putting a consistent, automated process in place for transactions and human interactions. It helps to the business operational cost by decreasing waste and rework, and by increasing the overall efficiency of the team. And next, this is the types of business process management. First, human-centric. Business process management models focus on the relationship between people and tasks to foster better collaboration. This approach acknowledges that there are several activities that can only be completed by people. Second, integration-centric. These business process management models try to get away from human interference as much as possible by focusing repetitive transition and automated workflows. It builds an improved application to combine BPM with service-oriented architecture so you can keep up your organization with changing market conditions. 3. The human-centric. Business process management model places importance around the flow of documents from one team to another due to high level of importance documentation has within that organization's industry or company. And next, this is business process management architecture. The process center constitutes all the tools and interfaces for creating and managing the business process servers, while the process center servers is the runtime component while the business process run. The process center uses the business process management assets to store the business process definitions and all the related assets. We will interact with the process center through the process designer, process center console, and the process administration console. The process designer is a full of function. Eclipse-based application used for creating and editing business process and managing the server environments. The Process Center Console is a browser-based application that lets you manage the assets, server, and applications, but does not provide the capability for creating and editing the business process. The Process Administration Console is also a browser-based application that lets you manage the server runtime features such as cache, variables, and event as well as users.
Okay. The implementation of business process management. Business process management, or BPM, is the practice of modeling, analyzing, and optimizing end-to-end business process to help meet your strategic business goals. BPM methodology can be applied to tasks and processes that are often repeat, ongoing, or predictable. A business process is a set of activities that help a business reach a specific goal. Using BPM, you can evaluate your business process to find ways to improve efficiency and reduce costs and errors. BPM is a continuous process that leads to improvement over time. With BPM, you can eliminate and hog workflow management practice and optimize business operation in order to deliver better products and services to your customer. The benefits of using business process management. Here are some of the key benefits of using BPM in your business. The first is improved business agility. BPM allows organizations to pause business process, implement changes, and re-execute them. Altering workflows as well as reusing and customizing them enables business process to become more responsive and gives the organization deeper insight into the effects that process modification have. The second is reduce costs and higher revenues. A business process management tool eradicates bottlenecks, which significantly reduce costs over time. An effect of this can be a reduction in lead times for product sales, giving customers quick access to services and products, which leads to higher sales and improved revenue. BPM solution can also allocate and track resources to reduce waste, which can also reduce costs and lead to higher profit. The third, higher efficiency. With the right information, process owners can closely monitor delays and allocate additional resources if needed. Automation and the removal of repetitive tasks add to more efficiencies in the business process. The fourth, better visibility. BPM software enables automation while ensuring real-time monitoring of key performance metrics. This enhanced transparency leads to better management and the ability to modify structures and process efficiently while tracking outcomes. And the last is compliance, safety, and security. A comprehensive BPM guarantee that organizations comply with standards and stay up to date with the law. BPM can also promote safety and security measures by properly documenting procedures and facilitating compliance. Conclusion and suggestion. The conclusion is business process management is important because it makes a company to have an efficient flow of work and to increase its flexibility to change in the environment. A company that has a well-coordinated management ensures smooth flow of work and clear objectives is likely to have greater process management. Business process management must be used by business people today. Okay, the suggestion is, from the discussion about this research project, the author hopes that readers can know more about business process management or BPM, because business process management makes it easier for people to apply. So that is all from me and group 4. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
この夢は覚めてしまうだろうな青い影が揺れる街角君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実